This is challenge number 2. Part 2. I just farted in this thing. Oh.
If your burps smell like burnt popcorn.
Please, somebody tell me what. Please.
Oh my god.
Please, somebody tell me what burnt. When your burps smell like burnt popcorn, what does that mean? Please. Do I need to go to the hospital? Is what I need to know.
You need to go to the hospital for them farts. And they smell nasty. Look at me all you want to.
I wasn't even looking at you.
Okay. Oh, God.
Alright. Let's get started.
My side hurt from that smell. It's still in my nostril.
Oh, y'all, she's so dramatic.
It is in my nostril, seriously.
She's so dramatic.
I need something else to smell.
Your upper lip.
My upper lip don't stink. If anything, it smell like a fart. Do it happen to y'all?
My fart did stink the bad.
It do, and it was stuck in my nostril. Seriously, it was stuck in my nostril. Let's go. I'm getting better.
No, I'm not about to play until you're done.
I have a sensitive nose, and she knows this. I smell everything.
My stomach hurt. What do you
Okay.
do?
I need to be on the other side.
Okay.
Because when you fart, it'll go that way.
You right?
Get up.
No, you can't.
You're the one being inconvenienced because I gotta smell it.